I got a letter. I should definitely remove some of those chickens. When did I get so many? Oh, nobody wants that elder hand. Okay. Oh, I got a text message. Hold up, guys. This could be important considering my fiance is bored out of his mind. Did you still not get anything? Dude, have one. Have one. Stop looking at me grumpily! I'm feeding you! Are y'all happy now? Are y'all all happy now? Okay. Let's try this again. Victor Humphreys. Acquire the following for my future study. Oh my god. Now you're asking too much. I lost that tabby slime and I'm real depresso. Real depresso. Oh, I was gonna respond to that text message. Hold up, guys. I really need to play Monster Prom with my friend. I have a friend, she's been my friend since like middle school. My only friend. And like they have never played Monster Prom. And Monster Prom, oh, that's the shop. Monster Prom's great. Monster Camp, the sequel, fucking phenomenal. That's not up. Okay, I guess it's expected to go up tomorrow. I don't know. It's stagnated. Guys, don't lie to me. But the I say and but a lot, guys. You're gonna have to get used to it. But the sequel, Monster Camp, fucking phenomenal. But it's when it's the there's a second sequel coming out, like Monster Road Trip or something, and I'm just super hyped. I know the water pack's going to be important. Here, guys, eat him. What have I done? Oh, a third viewer. Oh, that could be fiance though, because I'm still pretty sure that one of them is my is the desktop and the other one is my laptop. Well, welcome anyways. I just, I'm very pessimistic and don't think I could have any viewers of my own, so. And Slime Rancher just doesn't seem like our one viewer's cup of tea. So, this is a high order, alright? Like, I really need a silo. Where would I put a silo? I guess I do know where. I'm just gonna go grab, earn some more plorts. Here we go. Perfect. I don't want you. Or your little friend. Get them. Get them while they're hot. Y'all are so happy. Y'all out here eating. Here I am, taking your plorts. Here, let me get these off the bush for you. It is really slow burn at the start because you just... A thing! I want it. Give me this. A handlebar ornament. It looks like a pink slime with a handlebar mustache. Oh my god, that's freaking great. That's so fucking great. That's some good shit. Alright, awesome. Where are we gonna put this, guys? Look at it on my hotbar. Just look at it on my hotbar. Like, right? Like, where do we put this? We're gonna put it right here. Like, right here. Perfect. Now, when I go to bed at night, he'll be here to greet me. Perfect. Anyway, that's the thumbnail, by the way. Love bug. This is the thumbnail. Chillin' with my homie. Here, can I put him up higher so I can just look him in the eyes? I can. Chillin' with my homie. What am I doing? Pink plorts. Selling pink plorts. I got very distracted by that ornament. I don't have the best commentary right now. Okay, I want a storage container, and I'm gonna put it probably in this area. Oh, you have to purchase it. What? Okay. Yeah, I thought that was the case, but I didn't see the barriers up, so I thought maybe I had access to them. But no. I'm gonna put the storage dock right here then. No, that's BS, man. I do love that pun. That pun. What are you gonna do with this? And your silo. God damn it. Eat. Eat, my heathens. Grow big and strong and don't break out of your pen. You missed there, buddy. How when they go and then they don't they just miss. Why are you all like this? Have all of the fruit. Okay, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to complete this today. I do have 24 hours to complete it. I'm gonna go feed the wild slimes again. Perfect. I guess I should work on take it. Take it. Go get it. Take it. Take the fruit. Take the fruit. Look at all these plorts. Hold up, hold up. I got this. You gotta catch them before they become other things like this. Ow! Ow, my hit points! Let's see if I can get any more tabby slimes right quick. The crystal ones won't be as difficult. So, ow! Don't do this to me again. Alright, help me out here. I need... They're obviously not here. I need... tabby slimes. Well, I'm gonna go visit the Gordo again. Whom will explode into presents for me. Take them cube berries. Look at these babies! What is this? Oh. You left the pink slimes. They're just... Oh, it's another handlebar one. That one, New bucks. It's money. It's a money ornament. I have a key! And this island is full of baby slimes! I don't really care for this one. Here, guys. Have some chickens. I'll populate the island with chickens. I can get more. Obviously, a lot of them vanished into the ocean, never to be seen again. Okay, well, that was an interesting day. I'm gonna go home. Ignore that suicide to the left. It didn't happen. Suicide's not the solution, kids. Never the answer, never the answer. Got it? Got it. These plots. These plots, these plots, these plots. Plort, 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 plort. That's gonna get copyrighted real quick. Alright, now that the spiky boys have run out of food, they are angry, so I'm just gonna go. Bye! Whee! Oh my god, there's another one. I see you. Oh, hold up. Perfect. Where am I? Oh, sweet baby. Ah, come here. Come here. You. Alright. Oh no. Oh no, I forgot about that. If they eat 3 plorts, they become nasty, yucky. Ugh. I just run from them for now because I can't handle them. That's what you need the water for. I don't really need this new buck ornament, but I guess it'll look pretty here. Meanwhile, my dude bro. Now I have 2 of them. Perfect! What could possibly ever go wrong? Freaking silo. Costing so much. What else did he need? 6 of those? Okay, like, listen, let me see if I can go get that real quick. There's 6 crystal, 4 lighty boys. 4 light boys. Alright, let's see. Ow! I am here for your children. Oh my god, come here. I need 6 of you. Please don't attack me. I need 4 of you. I don't need you. Get out of here. Okay. Now what do we do? This isn't the goal. Alright, so I need more spiky boys, right? I need 3 more spiky boys. So, like, let's go look for spiky boys. Do. I mean, hells yeah. Okay. It's not who I need. Okay. Perfect. I will grab a 6th one of you, just in case. Alright. I bid you all adieu. Farewell. Enjoy your lives. Please don't hit me, please don't hit me, please don't hit me, please don't hit me, please don't hit me. Woo! I'm making it. Oh, hey! Hello, Efren. I just look over and I see you there. Hello. I thought the moon had a face for a second because of that cloud. Thanks. I'm trying to be brave. My commentary is not fantastic right now. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, I thought it was funny that I got a 2nd one. I don't really care for the money or... These are my friends. What was I doing? I was completing this quest. That's why. Shh, it's fine. Woot! Woot! I really can't handle these right now, or I would keep them. Love you guys. I know where to find you if I need you. Get the fridge away from my farm. You too, little one. Now let me make sure one of my slimes didn't escape here. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm attempting. Thanks for joining me. Now I have 4 viewers, which is... I still don't know if I actually have 4 viewers or if I just... One of them's me on my laptop and the other one's on the desktop. But the desktop is like the Twitch account itself, so I don't feel like it should count. Hi guys. But it won't be as entertaining as the other streams because it'll just be me running around. Yeah, I'm gonna put the silo over here, and then I'll get another farm to... It's not really, like, I'm not really reacting to anything as much either, because I already know a lot about most of this game. Just because I love it so much. Heard that. That's all good. Yeah, I feel that on the Skyrim mods though. Like that's one of Social's favorite things to do. Like is to he wanted to do a run through and he needs to restart it because I remember he said it was giving him issues and totally failed on him. But he started he wanted to be there to be a series where he does Skyrim and every time he dies he downloads a new mod. So you know you can see how chaotic that would get. But he can't play vanilla Skyrim anymore because it's just like too boring. He knows it like the back of his hand. Nothing happens. Price of pink plorts went down again. I want I'm just gonna get the water tank. I'm just gonna go down the list. Okay, what does this next person want? New recipe, so 6 carrots. Oops. And then 3 of those and 6 of those. Don't ask me what his favorite mods are though, because I could not tell you. He plays so many. That is not what I meant to do. Shooting carrots at the bush, like that's gonna achieve anything. Okay, well I'm gonna go out and find some pogo fruits apparently. What has been going on over here? Okay. You know, maybe this is my own fault, but... Ow! I want them to keep forever. The phosphor slimes just make me so happy. But if I keep it forever, it'll disappear in the daytime. I have to like super rev up a containment unit for them if I want them. There's a letter from Hobson again. I have letters in my mailbox apparently that I need to check. This entire cave system was sealed off from a cave-in when I first discovered it. Maybe that's why the fellows up ahead are so grumpy. Haven't had a bite in a long time. In any case, don't let that long-awaited bite come from your own rump. Bring some food to calm them down. H. H is the guy who owned the ranch before me. I'm not going in there. I know there are angry phosphor slimes. Angry giant phosphor slimes. Yeah, I've accidentally decided everyone in this game is Australian every time I read a letter. It's okay. It's fine. Alright, let me pick up this pogo fruit. Because I need some of that in my life. If I pick up the plorts, that's cool too. What else do I need? Cube fruit. But my cube fruit bush isn't growing the cube fruit right now. I already popped a Gordo, it was great. Could you... What the frick? Oh my god. They're trying to invade my farm. The little pink slimes are just so hungry. They're trying to invade my farm. Stay away.